All right, here we showed you the other day we had a nice big block on here making some horsepower. Now we got a nice small block 427 making some horsepower. This small block's making 590 foot-pounds of torque and 590 horsepower. That's a real kick-ass little small block. These CNC AFR heads are fantastic on this. We got a nice dart block. We got a forged eagle rotating assembly in here. Forged steel crank, H-beam rod, forged piston. Nice hydraulic roller cam, nice Holley carburetor, and a big ass intake manifold with an MSD distributor. Look, man, you're looking for one heck of a built motor. You're looking at them right here. I'll build you anything you want, and I guarantee my shit makes power, and also guarantee it to last for a long time. Hey, Performance Unlimited Custom Crate Engines. There is nobody else. Peace and God bless. Thank you.